Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about how a story is written. So, a story has a topic. A topic is what the story is about. So, topic tells what the whole story is about. Every story also has a main idea. The main idea is the big idea or the most important idea about the topic. So the big thing that you're talking about in your story, and the details are what come last in a story. The details give more information about the main idea. They give you as much information as possible. So now we're going to look at a story that you are familiar with. This story is called Butterfly. So, what is the topic of this book? What is it all about? It's all about butterflies. So, I am going to write that up here under our topic section. So, the topic of this story is butterflies. All right. Now we are going to look for the main idea in the story, butterflies. So that means the big idea or the most important idea about the topic. So what about butterflies? What exactly about butterflies does this story explain? Now this actually is a bit this is a special kind of story, butterfly. This story gives information about butterflies. So now we need to find out the exact information that it gives. So in this story, the main idea is that butterflies go through, or a butterfly goes through many stages before it actually becomes a butterfly. So that is our main idea. Let me write that down. A butterfly goes through many life changes before it becomes a butterfly. Now that's the big idea or the main idea. Now we are going to look at exact details in the story, okay? We're going to go through the story really quickly to find some specific details. The details give more information about the main idea of the story. So now I'm going to give you exact information about how a butterfly goes through many changes before it actually becomes a butterfly. Okay, so let's find those in our story, those details. Okay, here in this story, or in this part of the story, what does a butterfly begin as? It begins as an egg. So let me write that as a detail. Let's see. Detail 1. It begins as an egg. Oops, I lost my story. Here we are. Now what does the egg become after that? Becomes a caterpillar. Then it comes out as a caterpillar. That is detail number 2. So after that, how can we support our main idea? What other details do we have? After it's a caterpillar, what does it become? What does it become here? I'm not a caterpillar anymore. I am called a chrysalis. So caterpillar becomes a chrysalis. That is our next detail. All right. Then what happens? What is our last detail for this story? After the butterfly is a chrysalis, or the caterpillar makes a chrysalis, it becomes a what? It becomes a butterfly. So let me write that down. It comes out of the chrysalis as a what? Butterfly. Whoops. There we go. So remember, as you read a story, look for the main topic. The topic is butterflies. And then you can think, well, what about butterflies? And that's where you get your main idea. The main idea of this story is a butterfly goes through many changes before it becomes a butterfly. Okay, so that's our main idea. So how exactly does it go through those changes? And if you answer that question, then you'll find details in your story. Well, first it begins as an egg, then it comes out as a caterpillar, then it becomes a chrysalis. After it's a chrysalis, it comes out. It comes out of the chrysalis as a butterfly. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later.